everyone. Today we're talking about fractions, mixed numbers. Okay, so what are mixed numbers? This is our introduction to mixed numbers. So we know that a fraction is part of a whole, right? A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction used together. So that's why it's mixed, because it's two different types of numbers. It's a fraction and a whole number. So let's look at this. We have four rectangles, and each rectangle is divided into four pieces. Okay, so here we have 4 out of 4. We have the whole rectangle, so that's one rectangle. We have 4 out of 4. Okay, great. And then we have 3, so one rectangle full, so, all right. Then we have 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. So if we were put this into a mixed number, we have, look, 1, right? So that equals 1 equals 1. I'm going to change my marker here. We have 1, so that's 2, and then 3/4. So our answer, or this representation is going to be 2 3/4. Okay? What about this box? Look, we have 0 out of 4. 0 out of 4. So what is 0 out of 4? Well, that's 0. That's nothing. If you don't have anything, and notice there's none of the quadrants are highlighted with this red squiggly. All right, so we have 1, 2, and 3/4. That is our answer. 2 3/4, or that's how we would represent this graphic with a fraction, with a mixed number. Okay, we know that the numerator tells you how many you have, and the denominator tells you out of the whole, out of how many. So here we have 4 total pies, right? 4 pizzas, 4 pies, 4 circles. And each circle is divided into 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, again, just like the last slide, we have 8 out of 8. We have 8 out of 8. We have 8 out of 8. And then here, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8. So 1, 2, 3. Our number is 3 5/8. So if this were pizza, we have, maybe we've eaten all the squiggly lines. We have eaten 3 5/8 pizzas. We ordered 4 pizzas and we ate 3 5/8 pizzas. This is a mixed number. Whole number, fraction. Okay, so simplify. How do we simplify a fraction, or this mixed number in its simplest form? Well, let's look at this. A simplified or a reduced fraction. A fraction where the numerator and the denominator are in their smallest possible form and can no longer be divided by the same number. So each piece, this is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of 10. And how many? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5 out of 10. So together it says 1 5/10. Could we divide 10 and 5 by the same number? Yeah. Look, we could divide it by 5. We could just cut that thing in half. So that equals 1 1/2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We ate 1 1/2 pizzas. That's a weird shaped pizza, right? A decagon pizza. All right. And then last but not least, let's look at how a improper or a mixed number can look like and become an improper fraction. All right, an improper fraction is where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, these fractions are typically, they're top heavy, and these fractions are greater than 1. So our triangle is divided into 4 pieces. 4 over 4, 4 over 4, and then this is 1 out of 4, right? So we have, that would be 2 and 1/4. Okay, that is a mixed number. Mixed number is this. Okay. Now let's look at how a mixed number can be an improper fraction. 2 1/4 equals 4 pieces. 4 pieces and 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. 9, how many pieces are there out of? Out of 4. Because each triangle is 4 pieces. So 9/4 is an improper fraction. And that equals the same thing as a mixed number. It's greater than 1. Okay, watch this. 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9. How many pieces are there in each triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9/4. It's our improper fraction. As this is a quick video, just an introduction to mixed numbers. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much.